It's now time for today's finances, and every year thousands of people who outlive their life insurance policies face the question of whether or not they should renew it. With the answers to the question, do you need life insurance in retirement, is Barbara Entresta. Thank you so much for being here. So I'll let you get started, Entresta.
Well, that's a question we often get. Why would I ever need life insurance during my retirement? My family's grown, my kids are gone, I don't have any more dependents to worry, as far as, to protect. So one of the things we see when we do financial plans for people is one dependent you just need to think about protecting, and you may or may not need the insurance, but think about this, that's your spouse. Many people are in a situation that they continue to be a primary income earner in their retirement, and if they're set up in such a way that if they pass away, they could really be leaving their spouse in the lurch. So we see that happen.
When we talk about premature death in retirement, when we talk about premature death with a family growing up, that's one thing. You've got to take care of the kids and the wife. But often when a couple is in retirement, and let's say they retire at 65 and one of them gets hit by a truck at age 68, they have been set up for two incomes, typically. Social Security pays each one, and if one of them dies, Social Security goes down to one. And so the question is, can the surviving spouse survive on that reduced income that you're going to see should somebody pass away? And again, we've seen it that if everything is set up right and they all live to a ripe old age of 85 or 90, everything is copacetic. But should one get hit by a truck early in retirement, that's when life insurance could play a very key role.
Absolutely.
And another time, life insurance certainly plays a key role in retirement is for your estate planning. If you do want to leave a legacy to your heirs, life insurance generally isn't taxable.
Okay.
So that's kind of a nice way to leave a legacy. So it's not for protection, but it's for estate planning. And also, many people need life insurance just to make sure that there's something there to pay estate taxes. If you're in a situation, a high income earner, you have a lot of assets, and you potentially have an estate tax problem after your death, you can set up life insurance in order to pay that, so you don't wipe out your nest egg.
That's right. And so we say to people, before you let your life insurance policy lapse because you're thinking, well, we don't need it any longer, get with a financial advisor, take a look and see how numerically your retirement's going to play out, and see if one predeceases the other, what kind of effect it will have on the remaining income.
All right, well, thank you so much for joining us. If you have any questions, you can get a hold of Barbara Entresta, and we'll have this interview on our Facebook. We'll be